for your design with a combination of DraftSight 2D CAD and SolidWorks. Optimize your workflow, easily switching between 2D drawings and 3D models. DraftSight is crafted with a familiar user interface, so you won't waste valuable time transitioning. Join industry leaders who are designing their future with DraftSight and SolidWorks together. Now let's take a look at what's new in DraftSight 2025.